Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this wireless. It is wireless. Actually, it's cordless, not wireless. Pressure washer that I've been trying. I tried it this weekend, and I'm still surprised how this thing, which is battery operated, it is so powerful with 900 psi in a battery of 20,000 milliamp hours. So this one is going to give you a really good amount of juice for kind of like I want to say cleaning your car, cleaning some of your floor right here if you have something in the ground like some stains or something like that, cleaning your pool, cleaning your fence and things like that. And then you recharge it. You recharge the battery, which by the way is this one right here. So you recharge the battery and then you are all set and ready to go. No stress, no minimal kind of like it's going to be a minimum effort. You don't have to even connect this one to a hose or something like that. This one, like a faucet, you don't have to connect this one. You can just drop it in the pool, as you're gonna see right here, or like a big bucket. It comes with a filter on this side, so it's gonna keep draining the water, and this one's gonna go directly to your gun right here. The other good thing, it also comes with a soap dispenser, so you can put this one on if you also want. And it also comes with this case, which you can use for, I don't know, like carrying it on the go or something like that. But this one, let me show you something, just a second. This one, once it's done, it's all ready to go. I'll show you that one in a few seconds, but one thing that I'm going to show you, I put some duct tape over here, not because this one is actually getting off or something like that, but because putting this one inside of this part, which you're going to connect right here to the actual pressure washer, is the hardest part, because the hose is so tight that you gotta maybe, I want to say, apply some heat first and then putting inside. So that's why I ended up putting the duct tape, just because I wanted like an extra measure. And then once it's done, you also have the different kind of like tips over here to work with this one. Again, just like having water from the pool, you can see how nice this one is just for cleaning things. And then you just do this, you have a closer one, do this, you have a beam, which you can see how strong this one is. It's actually pretty strong. Just judging by the size of this one and being battery operated. You have this one for like cleaning something bigger or just like watering your plants. And then you have this one, which is going to be a more thick one, And last but not least, you get back to this one, which is going to be for your car. So I gotta say that this thing, it is actually pretty cool. I can't believe how good this one is, just judging by the size and the fact that it's battery operated. This thing for like on the go project and something like that could be really, really good. I like it. I'm gonna extra recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.